If your Targus docking station isn't detecting a second monitor, the most common cause is driver-related. Start by updating your Targus Universal Display Link driver and your computer's graphics drivers. Visit the Targus website or use Windows Update to find the latest versions. After updating, restart your computer. If the issue persists, check the physical connections. Ensure the USB-C cable connecting the dock to your laptop is securely plugged in and certified for data and power delivery. Try a different USB-C port on your laptop or a Targus-certified cable to rule out hardware issues. Windows 11 users should also verify compatibility post-OS updates, which can sometimes disrupt driver functionality, and in rare cases may require DisplayLink software to be reinstalled. If basic troubleshooting fails, first confirm that your laptop and dock support the monitor's resolution, such as 4K. Overloading the dock with unsupported resolutions can cause detection issues. Next, check your Windows display settings to ensure the second monitor is enabled and configured correctly. Sometimes Windows may not automatically detect the display. Additionally, disable hardware acceleration in applications like Chrome, as this can sometimes interfere with GPU allocation. If you've recently switched between operating systems, like from macOS to Windows, ensure all residual drivers from the previous OS are completely uninstalled to avoid conflicts. If problems persist, contact Targus support or consult relevant tech forums for model-specific solutions and firmware updates to the dock. As a last resort, perform a clean install of the graphics drivers and DisplayLink software.